G'day guys, it's Vulcan Camman here. I want to release another one of my stupid, crazy, angry people versus bikers compilation. Just to give you guys an update on some of the crazy stuff that I've seen in the last couple of months, including some of the stuff from my week-long ride with my bike club. So as always, let me know which one's your favorite, and if you want to use it in your compilation, just let me know. Send me a message on Facebook or whatever, and yeah, enjoy. I swear we've done like 5 kilometers in like 20 minutes, or even that. And we're just lane filtering. You know what, fuck it. Thank you. You know what, I'm a dickhead for not doing this earlier on. But then we get stuff like that. Oh, nice. These cars want to move over so I can get past. Thank you. Hey mate, you can lane filter if you want.
What's that?
You can lane filter.
Oh, that's okay. I've got my family behind me.
Okay, no worries. Have a good one. Oh fuck, this is gonna be a bit of a squeeze. That was a bit of a squeeze. I felt my friggin' foot touch the bloody tyre back there. It's annoying when you just want to go for a ride, but you can't because there's fucking roadworks everywhere. And you have to fucking always slow down, then speed up, then slow down, then speed up, then there. God damn it. Oh well, fuck it. Oh, this light's turn green. Well, at least they're being nice. Stay green, 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 stay green. Thank you. God, really? 40?
A few moments later.
It's a 40 zone, you fucking asshole. Oh, fuck yeah. Another Vulcan. There's your brother, Vulcan. He sounds like he's got custom pipes though. He must be thinking the same thing, another Vulcan. Oh. Look out, doggy. Look out, doggy. Oh, shit. Fucking hell. Oh my god. Whoa. I think that's the first official drift that I've done on Vulcan. Whoa. Oh fuck, I have to be in that lane, damn it. Shit. Fuck. Okay, note to self, don't gun it in wet weather. Man. The back tire actually venting and went out that oh man. Okay. Accelerate slowly in wet weather. Oh man. That's the first time I've gunned it and actually slid out. Like it was only a little slide. It was still enough to put me out. Whoops. Oh. Well done, dickhead. Well fucking... Whoa! Fuck me dead, guys! What the fuck was that? Whoa, Bruce. Mate. Naughty, naughty. Wrong side of the road. You won't be getting any presents from Santa this year. Whoa. Fucking hell, mate. Jesus Christ. Whoa. Settle down, mate. Hell is... Mate, you're a fucking idiot. Whoa, whoa. Oh, fuck. Oh, shit. Fuck me dead. Where's the support vehicle? I think went a bit too fast and that won't fucking work. Right. No. I came over that bump back there and my mirror came loose. It's been flapping like that, so I had to pull over.
Hold on. Go around. Can you take that?
Hold on, I'll take that off.
That must screw on that way. So what was done here, so what we're going to do here, I think screw that up and come. Not doing that.
Will that slide up, that thing?
That's
I think that's just a little...
be able to slide up. It's got to slide up because it's got to be a nut on it.
There we go.
Oh,
Right, let's
yeah,
get a
that's
spanner.
Have you got a spanner?
Yeah, and tighten. Hold on, let's have a look here. Where the hell's... There it is,
Because
there.
this is the way Ken usually winds mine around and it
Yeah,
locks
so
it
we
tight.
wind that around and it only gets to there. See, it's getting too tight, you'll snap it.
hmm.
So hold on.
They pretty much just did that when I came over that big bump there, so...
That should do it.
Yeah, it
We
was...
need a spanner or
No,
something.
you shouldn't, Joe. You should be able to do it by hand. So this is reverse. This one works reverse
Just,
to my
yeah,
Harley.
yeah.
So,
That's got, that must be a...
And then lock it back.
That must be a lock nut or something there.
how's that?
Try that.
Jump on that, young fella.
Yep, that should do it.
Okay.
Yeah, pull that down. There you go, boss.
Alright.
You got your TV aerial going and your bloody
GoPro going.
electronic bloody
Where do you want that? Just like that on the front, or do you put it around through your vest or something?
Oh, I just have it underneath my arm like that, yeah.
Stay there. Watch your back. Watch your back.
yeah, my back. Somebody's coming.
That's a truck.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, watch out, bro.
Beep beep. Oi! Look out! Jeez! So as you can see, I've had quite a lot of crazy stuff happen over the last couple of months. So I'm trying to do them, you know, monthly, like monthly compilations of just, you know, stuff that's happened, like, you know, crazy people that I've seen, you know, bad drivers, etc. But I just got busy with other stuff in the last month or so. So yeah, that's why this one's extra long. So I do apologize for that. But anyway, so I hope you guys liked it. Like, share, subscribe, all the good stuff, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. And I'll catch you guys later. Ride safe. Cheers.